series. So here we have 4, 18, 48, 100, and what's the next number here? So here it's a kind of tricky question. The first step what we have to do in this is 4 can be written as 2 cube minus 2 square. 2 cube is 8, 2 square is 4, and 8 minus 4 will give you 4. Next, for 18, we can write it as 3 cube minus 3 squared. 3 cube is 27 minus 3 square is 9, which will give you 18 back. Now the 48 can be written as 4 cube minus 4 squared. 4 cube is 64 minus 4 square is 16. That gives you 48 back. What about 100? Now you have noticed the pattern. 2, 3, 4. Let's take 5 cube minus 5 squared. 5 cube is 125 minus 5 square is 25. That gives you 100, right? What about the next number now? Now, as you have noticed the pattern, it would be 6 cube minus 6 squared. And 6 cube is 216 minus 6 square is 36. That's give you 180. That's your option C. Thank you so much for joining.